Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a team in ESPN Fantasy Football. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in ESPN Fantasy Football, hit enter and log into ESPN.com using your user credentials. Now, after you are logged into your ESPN Fantasy Football, you'll have to first of all navigate to your league homepage. So, this is my league homepage right now. We'll have to navigate to LM Tools. So go ahead and click on the LM Tools button. So this will take you to this LM Tools page, that is League Manager Tools. Now navigate to this section that says Delete Teams. So under League Membership Tools, you will see Delete Teams. Click on this link and it is going to take you to this page that says Delete Teams. Now all the teams you will have is going to appear in the Delete Teams section for your league. Simply select the team that you want to delete. Note that when you delete a team, it will set your maximum league limit to the number of teams that you currently still have in the league. So if I will have to delete, for example, 5 teams, it would set my league limit to 5 teams. Then I will have to go into my league settings and update how many league members I want to have. By following these steps, you can easily delete your team in ESPN Fantasy Football. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.